Salut mes frères, salut mes sœurs. Aujourd'hui, First Light, le jeu est sorti il y a quelques mois, quelques semaines. J'ai essayé de faire la vidéo maintes et maintes fois j'ai eu que des problèmes. Parce que bah, les gens sur YouTube, les gens qui font les tutos, ils sont pas très d'accord entre eux pour la mise en place d'un d'OBS. Donc là cette fois-ci, on va réessayer. Cette fois-ci j'espère que ça va fonctionner. Supprimer la sauvegarde. Et on va faire ça ensemble. La cinématique elle est plutôt pas mal. Elle est très belle. Bah, vu que le jeu je l'ai fait 8000 fois. Je l'ai relancé 1000 fois, j'ai relancé l'intro 800 fois. Du coup je sais de quoi je parle. Le jeu est très beau. Bah il va se réveiller hein. Faut se réveiller monsieur. Alors moi je m'étais arrêté au moment où bah là en fait il va arriver devant le cadavre. Je m'étais arrêté là c'est tout. Très beau cadavre, cela dit. Donc là, on incarne un James Bond qui connaît rien de l'MI6, qui connaît rien du programme 00. On incarne l'origine même de... Enfin, une histoire originale de James Bond. C'est pas l'original, mais c'est pas la... Bref, le mec sait pas parler ou quoi? Hop la Veski. Même nous, quand on grimpe des falaises, même nous on a froid, même nous on n'est pas bien.
It was an ambush. Both choppers down. Hostiles are organized and heavily armed.
This is MI6. We're taking control of this mission effective immediately.
Ah non, mais
You
j'étais bien.
injured?
Don't live.
Good, because we need your help. What's your
Voilà.
name, soldier?
Là, je suis bien.
Bond.
Oh, you're not SAS.
Air crewman.
Bon.
In training. We'll have to make do. I need you to be our eyes and ears on site. Do you see a
Attends, je bouge mon écran, ça fait 8 fois.
No, but there's some light coming from the other side of the mountain.
That's it. Get there.
Gotta be a way over there.
En tout cas, très très beau dégradé, si je peux me permettre.
Are you sure you're up for this?
Il a un très beau dégradé, le monsieur.
Significant.
Ah, en plus, j'ai peur du vide. En plus, à chaque fois que je le fais, ça me fait mal au cœur. Oh là là.
Tell me what you see.
It looks like the hostiles are heading back to the camp.
Tell me about them.
Putain, de voir le vide dans les jeux, ça me fait pas trop du bien.
Retrieval mission. Of what exactly? Alien technology?
Not quite.
What then?
How long were you in the water for?
You're dodging the question.
Then you're hypothermic. Get to the camp and find some warm clothes. I need you operational.
You and me both.
Et quand même, pour un mec frileux, il bouge bien vite, hein. Wesh, wesh, wesh. Oh là là. En plus, il finit dans l'eau.
I see some perimeter markers.
Good. You're close to the camp.
Fingers and toes. Water certainly doesn't help.
You're in water again.
Better than getting spotted.
Rig the entire camp and perimeter.
Enough to level this place.
Yeah. Huh. This one's armed.
They are all armed.
Thank you, MI6.
Saves us the trouble.
MI6 explosives. You're the ones running your retrieval mission.
Not officially.
And you set up a grid of high explosives covering the whole area.
It's a Clove's mission cleanup measure. Thermochemical sterilization. I didn't want you to get worried.
Chemical sterilization. What's to worry about?
Thermo. It's quite safe. What's not, however, is used still out in the cold.
Yes, I know. There's a window here I could get through.
Du coup, ouais, c'est les créateurs de... Enfin, les créateurs, les éditeurs, l'éditeur du jeu, c'est IO Interactive, c'est ceux qui ont fait Hitman, enfin le Hitman World of Assassination, je crois, qui est un peu de la pâte à la Hitman, pardon.
Touch this here. Stižem za sekund.
You speak Serbian?
Montenegrin. Picked up a few phrases while mountain climbing there.
A man of hidden talents. Now, let's figure out who these hostiles are.
Already on it. I found a receipt in the jacket. Berlin Cafe, November 17th. Paid in cash.
Interesting. Keep it coming.
Un reçu de Dave Bonnet à Berlin datant du 17 novembre payé en liquide. Ah. La famille, faut snapper ça. Il y a un mec mort, wesh. Il y a un mec, il est décédé, wesh.
A briefcase. It's full of ashes.
One of ours. Self-ignites if open wrong.
Someone's lying here. He's been shot.
Vitals?
He's dead. Foster. One of yours?
Senior engineer. Keep going.
I found one of their guns.
What
Ça, ça
kind?
ressemblait grave au Vector
Escape
dans
biome.
BO2, ça.
Serial's gone.
Discontinued. Also, it's biometrically locked.
Brilliant. Heading into the camp now.
Don't draw attention to yourself.
Com device. Military grade layered encryption.
Hard to come by.
Patch. Red and white checkers.
In this context, could reference Croatia.
Torn grid map here.
That's just a site explosives protocol from the MI6 handbook.
Rocket launcher. Serial 394KLB211.
The launcher is part of a US shipment stolen in Algiers 9 years ago.
That was fast.
Keep digging. We're not done.
I barely crashed that thing.
C'est carré.
And it's
Putain, l'anglais d'Europe de l'Est.
this not for me.
Les accents de taré. Déplacer le BT-65. Qui je te déplace ça, mon gars?
Wasn't up for it this time. Those 9 mil lost on the German job. And the cleanup,
That was mess.
hey! You've got to see this! Come on, let's check it out.
You've got this, right? Good man.
And some of them just mentioned a messy German job. 9 million lost.
Hang on. I know exactly who we're up against. A Balkan gang of thieves known as...
Le jeu, il est grave beau, en tout cas.
Notorious
J'ai tout à fond.
Listen, I'm going to ask you to enter the big central tent, but what you learn in there can never be mentioned to anyone. Understood?
Heading there now.
I'm serious, Bond. You haven't signed the Official Secrets Act. I need to hear you say that you accept and acknowledge its ramifications.
I accept and acknowledge. Entering now. Any bombs I should know of?
None you should know of. No.
Y'a rien à récupérer, je sais qu'il y a des collectibles. Enfin, des objets.
So, lay it on me.
I can't. You're still on a need-to-know basis.
Figures.
Mission Protocol Grey Envelope forbids any overwrite mention at this encryption level. Will not discuss any specifics. Now, do you see the object?
I'm afraid that's classified.
Ça, par contre, j'ai jamais vu. J'avais fait que le tout début. J'avais pas fait plus. Mais là,
Now it's gone.
Wesh. C'est quoi ce bordel là?
I'm looking at the thing now. Or what's left of it.
I need you to
Ah mais c'est quoi ça?
see you
C'est un satellite ça.
On it.
C'est un fucking satellite mec.
Are you sure it's completely sealed? It's sealed. Come on.
Someone's coming. They're wearing hazmat suits. Should I worry?
Give me a sec.
We got what we came for. Let's get the hell out of here. We get on the Zappen in 3 weeks, strike gold in Brazil. Works for me. The others are preparing the final cleanup now. Ever been to Brazil? First time. What's it like? Beaches and
Did you mention sound distortion before?
Yeah.
I need you to do exactly as I say. Do you see the red door? Head for it.
Ah bah on est dans la merde. Parfois on est dans le caca. Super. On n'a pas l'antivirus nous. On n'a pas l'antivirus nous. Bien sûr. Ah, j'ai eu peur, je croyais qu'il était en train d'enlever son pantalon. Ah ça c'est bleu.
Tucked away somewhere.
Bon. Il m'a dit une botte. Putain. Ah putain là-bas. Vite on va mourir.
Which one?
What?
There's 2 of them.
The orange one. Do not use the other one.
Here goes
Ah.
nothing.
Super. Eh bien c'est ciao. C'est totalement ciao. C'est... Non. J'ai pas de vanne.
Bond? You okay?
That might be pushing it. What next?
Have a little rest and then get to somewhere safe. You've done great.
Attends, mais au début il avait une veste. Mec il a désapé.
They're after and they're about to leave.
Yes, and we'll let them. Thanks to you, we've been able to deduce exactly who the buyer is, where they'll be meeting, and at what time. We'll intercept in a controlled environment with no risk to the asset. You just get out of the camp. Tight.
One of your crew's still alive. Hostiles have him. I don't fancy his chances. I'll follow. See what I can do.
You're in no state. They'll spot you and kill you. Remember who you're up against.
Wrap it up.
Now you
We're
start to
leaving.
worry about me.
I'm taking this one to the others. G9 or V4? Doesn't matter. They're all inside the blast. What's the point then? They're all going to die anyway.
They just shot him.
No witnesses.
I think some of the others are still alive, but the hostiles plan to blow up the place.
You need to get out of the blast zone.
Oh, I need to save those people.
That is not your call. Stand down. That's an order. Listen carefully. You have less than 1% chance of success. Now stand down.
I'll take those odds.
Bond,
Il a pas écouté la meuf quoi.
Okay, James.
Non mais what the fuck.
V4.
On va aller là-bas. Oh là là, je fais que bailler.
Container G9. That's where I'll find the captives. Okay, no time to hesitate.
Je fais que
Those
bailler.
people need my help.
Oh là. Je suis défoncé.
Look at this. Guy was driving home to his wife.
They're mine.
Hop, ça dégage. Frérot, je sais pas s'il y a de la pesanteur, mais il a pris 1000 ans à descendre. Ok.
There you are. Oh, thank God. Hey, listen, we don't have much time, and we need to get you out of here. What's the plan?
Can't we just sit tight and wait for the others to deal with the hostiles?
I'm all you've got.
Just one guy.
Oh,
So screwed.
oh, je suis fatigué.
What about the others? We can't leave without them.
Others.
In B4, other side of the camp. They split us in 2 groups. They were really rough. I hope they're okay.
Okay. You need to stay put while I free them. Then run east on my signal.
What kind of signal?
You'll know when you see it.
Là, ça bug. Ça a pas bugué, dis donc.
Heavy duty gear and kit. Just what I need. Should be able to use that. Good girl. This should keep them busy.
Quand il a la même démarche que le mec dans Hitman, quoi. Ils auraient pas pu faire une démarche différente. Merde. Je fais n'importe quoi.
What was the point? Nothing. We found it ourselves.
Thank God you're finally here. Listen, I already freed your friends. We don't have much time. The hostiles are planning to blow up the camp.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
They can't. That idiot was in charge of the detonator.
Still, these guys mean business. We need to go. Wait for my signal, then run east. What's the signal? Any ideas?
If you topple the central mast, we'll all hear it. It's barely standing in this storm. Snap one of the wires, and I bet that'll be enough.
On va faire ça, mon sang.
The
Vas-y, go.
detonator,
C'est cheaper.
When it goes, you run east.
towards the sunrise. Got it. Good luck.
All right. Time to bring the house down. I should start things over there. There's your signal.
Allez, ça dégage. Cours, 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 cours. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Ça c'est du plaquage, ça c'est du plaquage qui plaque. Ah, j'ai même pas vu, il y avait du QTE, putain. Ah merde. Hop. Il a tué quelqu'un. C'est un meurtrier.
Hey, come on! Come on! What are you doing? Come on!
Oula là. Oula oula. Non mais les frérots ils ont des tanks. Ils tirent partout sauf sur les gens. Hop, ça c'est fait. Il est beau, il est beau. Ah oui, c'est vraiment pas visé quoi.
Everybody okay? Follow me this way. There's a way.
Bah nickel.
What is this now? You wanna blow us up
Yeah, thinking about it.
and destroy the asset? MI6 would never.
Pardon.
I'm not MI6.
Normalement sur YouTube vous allez pas avoir le son dans... vu que c'est de musique. Ça c'est de la transition qui transitionne ça, putain.
Do you have an appointment?
The name's Bond.
James Bond. He's with me.
You sound familiar.
Today's not about me. It's about you and the incident last month. Come on.
Your visitor's pass, Mr. Bond.
Thanks.
Gotta say, you're healing fast.
Then it was you.
Anyhow, we're going upstairs. All the way to the big brass. It's quite the stir you made.
Go big or go home?
Yeah, or go big and disappear.
So I'm in trouble.
Did I say that? I wouldn't have. That's confidential.
Hop, on a un ascenseur. En tout cas très belle light skin si je peux me permettre.
Saw me hanging up
Elle
in
est
the
super
bath.
mignonne quoi.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Alright, if that's how you want it. Pleased to meet you, I'm James. And you are?
Infuriatingly secretive.
Ah elle fait trop la désirer, elle fait trop la désirer. C'est ton prénom t'as vu. Puis il est fou, il demande son prénom et son badge.
Moneypenny, can I grab you for a second?
I'll be right down.
Ah bah voilà, on connaît son prénom.
So your name is Moneypenny.
Putain le jeu il est beau quand
First
même,
name
putain.
too?
Now let's not get carried away, James.
Or at least tell me who I'm meeting.
You're here to see M.
M. Right. You're really enjoying this, aren't you?
And you're not?
Not particularly, no.
Ouais il est bien proche.
Miss Ponsonby.
Je-
James Bond here to see M.
J'étais bien proche d'elle là.
Moneypenny. Take a seat.
J'étais
Em will
bien
be ready
proche d'elle.
shortly.
Ah mais c'est pas elle, M. Elle a une tête à s'appeler. Il y a une tête de M. Et c'est pas elle. Mais c'est pas elle. Ah, attends. Oh, tac. Ah non, c'est bon. Là on m'entend bien aussi.
Why don't you sit down?
J'avais baissé le microphone sans faire exprès, je suis désolé.
I didn't get a meeting agenda with the invite. Wonder if you know why I've been called here.
Ah merde,
Everything
on
you
m'entend.
need to
Putain.
know will be
Je me
explained
suis
to
caché,
you
on m'a entendu quand même. Ah si je parle, putain ça marche encore. Putain.
I must say, you're all taking this code of secrecy very seriously.
You do know what SIS stands for, don't you?
This
C'est qui?
M character, is he in prosecution somehow?
She and no.
Mais c'est qui M? Putain, tu peux pas me dire.
Moneypenny mentioned M being high rank.
Yes, as high as you get in this house.
Right.
I do enjoy a quiet office. Perhaps we can limit the small talk. I'm sure M will be with you shortly.
Ouais, je me fais daronner comme ça.
Of course.
J'ai rien demandé.
Right away. M will see you now.
C'est un baillement de ouf ça.
Take a seat.
So, Iceland. Air crewman in training, accidentally stumbling upon an MI6 operation of the utmost importance. Initially willing to assist, but then you hang up on us. Go against direct orders, and ultimately blow up the invaluable asset we were there to retrieve.
I wasn't aware I was under MI6 command, and I just chose not to take your advice.
Non, bah non.
Right, yes.
Si tu veux.
Headstrong, kicked out of several conflicts, thrill-seeking, several disciplinary... here. Issues with authority.
I believe it's more a case of authority having issues with me. Look, I know where this is going. You can spare me the velvet gloves. Do you mind
Et par contre, il a
telling me
toujours la cicatrice qui s'était fait en Islande.
I would like you to join His Majesty's Secret Service. I want to make you a spy.
You what?
I want you to join my training program. Though, I have to warn you, it's unlikely you'll pass the tests. Should you make it, I have to inform you that agents have a very short life expectancy. Normal social life is near impossible. And if you do get caught, we will deny ever having heard of you. How does that sound?
What's the downside?
Money's terrible.
When do I start?
Now, Moneypenny's waiting for you outside. She'll run through the details. Yeah, put him through. You're dismissed. Yeah.
Allez, on se casse. Elle s'en bat les couilles. Elle en a rien à foutre. Elle est là pour travailler, gros. Il drague même les vieilles, il est fou, lui.
You're joining?
I am.
Makes the walk down a lot less awkward.
You're in the program too.
Just got assigned. I'll be the girl in the chair. Quite excited about it. I've been reading up on the Double O's and I think the program deserves a reboot.
Oh, so it's a new thing then?
Well, the other recruits have been at it for 6 months. So you have some catching up to do. Better get you up to speed. As I said, basic training and initial elimination rounds are already concluded. Only 6 recruits qualified for advanced training, and so far, all of them have excelled. Final exams are in 6 months, and you'll have to ace all of them to qualify for field duty. That's assuming that Greenway lets you stay on for that long.
Greenway?
Training instructor. Missions above people and orders above principle sort of guy. Judging from your profile, I'm sure you'll get along splendidly. Anyway, I'm sending you to the MI6 training facility in Malta, where you'll be joining the other recruits. Your flight's waiting for you, so you better get a move on. Break your leg, James.
John Greenway.
Yes. And you're late.
Putain, mais il vient de dire que je suis en retard alors que je prends un avion cargo. Commence déjà très mal. Commence déjà très mal le Morgan Freeman. Là.
That's the training facility. Scenic.
You're not here for sightseeing. In fact,
Il commence déjà très mal le Morgan Freeman du pauvre.
the sooner you realize that, the better for both of us.
No sightseeing. Got it. About me being here, you'll have to take that up with them.
Already tried. She insists we give you a chance.
And I'll take it.
Yes, until you get bored or the work's too hard. I read your file. To do this, you need skill, discipline, and above all, dedication. Pure dumb luck will only get you so far.
Glad we got that covered.
Sir.
I like what you've done with the place. Adaptive reuse without compromising the historical heritage. Bit of a splurge on the defense budgets.
We live up to or surpass all requirements for an intelligence service.
Guess that's why I'm here. SAS is here too.
You really have a knack for stating the obvious.
I'm just surprised. I didn't know they trained in Malta.
I expect the list of things you don't know is quite extensive. Come on, this way.
Ouais, graphiquement c'est grave beau, putain. C'est super beau. Par contre,
Let's go. Don't want to get binned on my first day.
Report to your superior officer, recruit.
Right away,
ah,
sir.
pardon. Je voulais juste regarder si les tractions étaient legit ou pas.
Meet our new star air crewman Bond. So capable he could skip basic training. He'll now demonstrate his superior close combat skills. Monroe, will you do the honors?
Love to, sir.
Je vais lui arracher la tête. T'inquiète pas mon cousin. Moi gitan, j'envoie des patates. Avec la chevalière, tu vas voir. Regarde bien. Aïe. Ah, je me fais arracher là. Wesh, non. Je me suis fait arracher, putain. Allez, viens tâter le biceps. Wesh. Aïe. Je me suis fait défoncer. Elle ressemble vraiment à Morgan Freeman, mais... Genre Morgan... Genre Morgan Freeman, mais mal fait.
We still have to study for social engineering.
Well, consider it a challenge, Cressida. You like those? You know what? I'll up this one notch. If he fails, I take 2 credits from both of you.
Can't be serious. You know, I do love a challenge.
Respectfully, sir. I think we'd be wasting our time.
Elle regarde bien mal la vie, ça. Ça va le baiser. Pourquoi il regarde mal? Je vais vraiment le taper, lui. Je vais vraiment lui taper le crâne.
So yesterday was fun.
Listen, I don't know who the hell is playing favors for you. Obviously someone up high, but you won't get any from me. Better candidates were cut, and as far as I'm concerned, you should only be here if you've earned it.
Well, you and Greenway both.
Boys,
C'est quoi cette voiture de fou, là?
Top driver. She'll take you through the drill.
learn from the best, as they say.
And you better learn fast.
Care to explain the car?
06 DBS, a classic. Seen some real life action too back in her day. Still a gorgeous drive.
I bet.
Go on then, get in. Do a lap around the island, get a feel for her. Fast as
Ah,
you
je vais conduire là?
please. No speed limits here.
Let's do this.
I'll come along, show you the course and give you a few pointers.
Bah, depuis quand les femmes ça file des tuyaux, dis donc. Dis donc, elle est bien gênante, cette dame là. Je sais conduire, t'inquiète. T'inquiète bien. Ah, mais c'est du chrono? Ok. Ok. Bon, c'est géré, c'est géré.
Use the handbrake for sharp turns. Nice traction.
Oh là là, non, 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 je suis nul. Oh là, ouais, ta gueule. C'est nul. C'est nul, c'est nul. C'est nul. C'est nul. Ah, on enchaîne. Ah, on enchaîne. Wesh. Ouh. Ça c'est bien wesh. Viens là Cyril, on est à ça de baiser. Esquive. Esquive. Ouais, viens. Viens tête de Neuil. Mhm. Je t'ai dit. Il lui a cassé la tête. Wesh, genre il est là, j'ai mal à l'épaule. Il lui a arraché le crâne. Oh, faut encore le récupérer là. Wesh, hein? Je perds trop de temps. Allez. C'est éclaté. Allez, viens, Pedri, viens. Viens la Pedri. Hop, ça dégage. Hop, ça c'est envoyé ça. Je suis pas serein là. Faudrait que je fasse moins de 30 secondes. Ok. Est-ce que je vais y arriver? Ah, je sais pas. Oui, let's go. Et j'enchaîne toutes les épreuves là, c'est quoi ce bordel? Oh. C'est trop stylé. Petit coup de boule. Boum. Boum. Bam. Bam.
Give it everything you've got.
Everything he's got isn't close to it.
Ah ok, l'arme elle est là. Ah ok. Ah mais faut que j'ai récupéré le drapeau, putain, j'ai oublié. J'ai oublié d'aller récupérer le drapeau. Let's go.
Bond, you didn't. Know what to do. I didn't want to be rude.
Okay. Air crew, you're up. If you're serious about earning your place, let's go.
Monroe, any dating horror stories you care to share? You look like a man who's had a few.
You think this is a joke? Take it easy, mate.
Well, I thought you knew. I don't have to earn this. I can just get by on blind luck, right?
Who needs luck when you've got the old boy network on your side?
What do you say, mate? Call it a day?
Okay. No more cake.
Hop. Hop. Là, regardez bien, je vais l'enchaîner. Ah. Esquive. Esquive. Tiens ta gueule. Tiens le plateau. Oh. 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 Wesh. C'est une dinguerie. Ah, on est dans le centre de tir. J'ai dit, arrête de faire le malin. Oh non. Wesh. Absolu cinéma un peu. Tiens. 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 Tiens.
You passed basic training, congratulations. However, there is also the matter of your performance review. Bond is immature and reckless, guided by his gut feelings and mistaken ideas of loyalty. He's a bad influence on the other recruits who inexplicably fall victim to his charm. Greenway recommends that I cut you from the program.
Not exactly a surprise. It's been a pleasure, Mom.
I want to show you something. Come.
Neat trick.
Yes, I rather enjoy it myself.
What's down there?
You'll see, but first let me give you some context. I've been heading MI6 for 14 months now. Tell me, how many terror attacks have we had on British soil in that period?
As far as I know, none.
Dead agents, blown covers?
I wouldn't know, Mom.
Also none. How about the number of prevented or secretly resolved conflicts? Countless. This way.
I need to check your clearance, sir.
He's with me, there's no need.
Mum.
Never before have we had a success rate like now. Never before the precision, safety, intel quality and conflict resolution to such high standards. Unprecedented and unrivaled by anyone else in the intelligence community. For our success. Meet Thea, the world's first and only second-generation quantum computer.
I thought those things were theoretical at best.
That's what we want you to think. Thea synthesizes millions of data streams instantaneously to make statistical deductions on matters of national security. The system's all but wiped the floor with GCHQ. Since its activation, we've saved more lives, thwarted more attacks, lost fewer people. That was Thea, in Iceland.
Ah, du coup, c'était pas la meuf qui parlait, c'était l'IA en fait.
Thea gave you a less than 1% chance of success. You simply beat the odds.
I didn't realize those were actual.
Wesh, on a survécu avec 1% de chance, les mecs. Ça prouve une chose.
You see, I strongly believe that there is still a need for such human flourishes as heart and intuition in modern spycraft. In fact, that's the very reason I'm bringing back the Double O's.
Oh, I heard you were cleared for advanced training?
I am?
You did an impossible thing. I would like you to do it again.
And if I can't?
Well, then I don't have much use for you, do I? Now get the hell out of my Faraday cage.
Come on. I'll take you to Q-Lab.
So, what's in Q-Lab?
Apart from Q, I wouldn't really know where to begin. You'll see.
You really should work on that infuriatingly secretive side of yours.
Oh, but you don't think that I'm hitting all of the marks? Well, how about this? I'm sure there'll be a surprise or two for you in there.
Bit over the top, perhaps.
You just wait and see.
How about that?
Incroyable.
I'm sure Q's waiting for you. Oh, and Dr. Tan asked to see you as well. Look for a sign that says Taksim.
Les mecs, c'est là qu'on se stoppe, à s'arrêter ici. On est déjà à plus d'1 heure de gameplay. Pour l'instant, on va commencer tout doucement. Après, ça sera peut-être plus long, on sait pas. De toute façon, j'ai envoyé tout ça à mon monteur. Et on va essayer de condenser ça tout... Enfin, on va faire ça, on va essayer de faire ça les... Oh, je bégaye, j'en ai marre. Je suis fatigué. On va essayer de faire ça les choses bien. On va... on va essayer de faire ça... Non, merde, je sais plus parler. On va essayer de faire ça bien. Moi, je vous souhaite un bon let's play, amusez-vous bien. J'espère que ma compagnie a été agréable. J'espère que vous avez mangé en même temps. Parce que sans manger et regarder, c'est pas possible. Moi, je peux pas. Je fais plein de bisous. Je vous aime. Force à vous. Force à tout le monde dans la vie. Peace, ciao. Comme on fait, comme les youtubeurs, les petits mecs, là, je sais pas comment ils font. Bisous.